As of March 14th, 2026, Verizon's network is generally stable. Official channels and monitoring sites like Down Detector and Outage.report show no widespread outages. However, localized issues may exist in some regions. Always check your specific location using the Verizon app or website for the most accurate, real-time status. The best way to check for a Verizon outage in your area is through the official Verizon app or website. Look for the outage map or service status checker. These tools provide real-time updates on any known issues affecting your service. You can also use third-party websites like Down Detector and Outage.report to see if other users in your area are reporting problems. Even without a major outage, you might experience service disruptions in your area. These localized issues can stem from various factors that affect network performance. One common cause is ongoing infrastructure upgrades, where Verizon improves cell towers and network equipment. These maintenance activities can temporarily disrupt service in specific locations. Hardware failures at cell towers can also cause localized outages. When equipment malfunctions, it affects coverage in the surrounding area until repairs are completed. Software glitches, such as bugs in network firmware or router updates, can lead to temporary service interruptions that are usually resolved quickly. In urban areas, high network demand from many users can cause temporary data speed slowdowns, making it feel like an outage even when the network is technically operational. In rural areas, spotty coverage due to fewer cell towers can lead to perceived outages, especially in remote locations where signal strength is weaker. Verizon's recent 5G ultra-wideband expansion has significantly reduced major outages, with internal reports showing a 30% decrease compared to 2025. The ongoing 5G deployment focuses on expanding coverage and improving overall network stability. The transition to 6G by 2030 promises even lower latency and increased reliability. However, new technology rollouts can sometimes introduce temporary glitches or coverage gaps. The ongoing 5G deployment focuses on expanding coverage and improving overall network stability. Verizon is increasingly using AI-driven predictive maintenance to forecast and prevent outages before they occur. Machine learning algorithms analyze network data to identify potential issues, reducing downtime by approximately 25% in 2025. Experts predict that AI will be able to eliminate 40% of outages by 2030, further enhancing network reliability. Past incidents have provided valuable lessons for improving network resilience. Let's examine key case studies from Verizon's history. The January 10th, 2024 outage began with a core router failure in Virginia. This single point of failure affected 10 million users across 11 states and lasted 3 hours, costing Verizon an estimated $100 million in lost revenue. It highlighted vulnerabilities in legacy infrastructure that require modernization. In 2025, a cyber attack targeted Verizon's supply chain through compromised vendor software. This caused a 2-day blackout in the Midwest region, demonstrating how vulnerabilities in third-party suppliers can impact network operations. The incident led to enhanced zero-trust security measures. In contrast, Verizon's 2026 rollout of resilient zones in Florida serves as a positive example. These AI-monitored towers with hurricane-proof designs successfully withstood Category 4 storms without any outages, demonstrating the effectiveness of proactive disaster preparedness in building network resilience. These case studies, from infrastructure failures to cyber attacks and successful disaster preparedness, inform Verizon's ongoing efforts to improve network resilience and prevent future outages. The telecom industry is trending toward proactive outage prevention and climate-resilient infrastructure. Verizon is investing in hurricane-proof towers and exploring satellite integration like Starlink partnerships for near-zero downtime. Experts anticipate a continued decline in major outages due to technological advancements and regulatory pressures for increased transparency. User reports on social media platforms like Reddit and X, formerly Twitter, play a crucial role in identifying and addressing network issues. These platforms allow users to share real-time experiences and spot problems that might not be immediately visible through official channels. In one instance, a Reddit thread on Arsh Verizon exposed a hidden firmware update issue in New Jersey. This community detection allowed users to report the problem quickly, leading to faster identification and resolution. Verizon responded by rolling back the changes within 48 hours. Community reporting enhances Verizon's ability to detect and resolve outages efficiently. User vigilance on social media complements official monitoring tools, creating a collaborative approach to network reliability. This shows how engaged users contribute to better service.